Good day, I am Untitled Chapter, PSC 2-5, and I will discuss now the secondary classification, which we will only find the radial loop, plain arc, and tented arc in the pattern. And in fingers 1 to 5, we have the right hand, and fingers 6 to 10, we have the left hand. Now, we are only gonna determine what is the meaning or symbol of this pattern. In the first finger, we have the radial loop. Now we'll put small letter R. Then the next is the index finger on the right hand, which is the central pocket loop whorl. Since it is not part of the radial arc or radial loop, plain arc or dented arc, and we will not put something, or we put it a dash. But the exception is it is a part of the index finger. Therefore, we'll put the capital letter of this symbol of the central pocket loop. Therefore, we put capital letter C. Now, let's proceed to the third finger, which is the middle finger. Now, and it is a double loop whorl, not part of the rod or the radial arc and tented arc. Therefore, we'll put a dash, or you can leave it blank. And fourth finger is the ring finger. It is the fourth finger, and its pattern is an accidental loop whorl. Therefore, we'll put a dash, and then lastly, the pinky finger, the last finger. We'll put a tented arc, letter T, small letter, because it is not on the index, but only in the small finger or the last finger, pinky finger, rather. Then we'll proceed to the left hand. We have plain whorl. It is not a part of the rod, which is the radial, arc, and tented arc. Therefore, we put dash. Then the index finger, we started from the left thumb. Now we'll proceed to the seventh finger, which is the index finger on the left hand. Therefore, we'll put capital letter A, and it is still part of the rod. Now, the middle finger of the left hand is a radial loop. We'll put R. And then C is not a part of the rod. Nor. And then the 10th is R also. And since we have two R's on a single fraction, we will combine. Since we have two R's on the denominator, we will combine them. So we remove the other R, put the 2R to indicate that there are two radial loops on the left hand. Therefore, this is your answer. This is your answer on the first fingerprint card. Now let's proceed to the second fingerprint card. On the right hand, we have radial, plain arc, double loop whorl, accidental loop whorl, and the tinted arc. So let's write them down. We have the radial loop, it's part of the rat. No, so we will write small letter R. Next is on the index on the right hand, we'll put the capital letter A, because it is on the index. Index, we'll put capital, and dash because it is not part of the third finger, and then the fourth finger is not also part of the rat, so we'll put dash, and the last finger, which is the pinky finger or the finger, is a tempered arc. We'll put small letter T. On the left hand, we'll put whirl, plain whirl. We'll put dash because it's not part of the radial arc and tempered arc. Next is on the index finger, we'll put capital letter, and we'll put capital letter A, regardless of if it's not, but if it's part of a rat or other patterns. And the eighth finger, which is in the middle finger, will put, it is radial loop. We'll put R, and then T because it's part of two, and lastly is R. And since it is, again, we have two R's or radial loops on the denominator, we'll remove the other R, put the card, we'll, we'll put 2R on the denominator to include that, or to tell the readers that we have two radial loops on the right or left hand. So therefore, this is my answer. This is the answer. RA dash dash T over dash A to RT. This is the answer. Thank you for watching and have a good day ahead.